Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Euro Truck Simulator 2 online without using Steam's built-in multiplayer. First, ensure you own a legitimate copy of Euro Truck Simulator 2 on Steam and have at least 2 hours of playtime recorded. Next, make your Steam profile and game details public so Truckers MP can verify your ownership. Then, visit the official Truckers MP website to register a free account and download their custom launcher. This separate application is essential for accessing the multiplayer world. Once you have downloaded the Truckers MP installer, run it and follow the on-screen prompts, making sure to select Euro Truck Simulator 2. The launcher will then check for and download any required updates, which might take a few minutes. After installation, always launch the game using the Truckers MP application, not directly from Steam. When prompted, log in with the Truckers MP account you created earlier to access the multiplayer servers. After logging in, you will see a list of available servers. Many players prefer Simulation 1 for a realistic experience, but arcade servers offer different rules. Once you join, remember to follow all traffic laws, including speed limits and traffic lights, especially when other players are nearby. Always use your turn signals and keep a safe distance of at least 2 truck lengths from others. Reckless driving, like speeding to prevent overtakes or driving backwards, is strictly prohibited and can lead to penalties. To ensure a positive experience for everyone, always show respect to other players and use appropriate language in the in-game chat. Be especially careful on busy routes, like the famous Calais-Duisburg road, where many players congregate. If you encounter someone breaking the rules, you can report them through the in-game system or the Truckers MP website. Finally, remember to turn on your headlights when driving at night, as this is a common rule for visibility and safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.